Hello students, welcome in the online biology teachings in Lal Bahadur Shastri Mahavidyalaya Partur, online teaching of biology class. So in previous topics I have to explain about the inheritance and variation. Today I have to deliver the next aspect of the inheritance and variation, deviation from the Mendelian's finding. Now in the taking the examples of the intragenic interaction, or that is gene interaction, one example is the gene interaction that is known as the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means blended inheritance or the mosaics inheritance. So in complete dominance, both genes of a allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. In incomplete dominance, both genes of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. You have to study about the Mendelian laws, law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. But in the according to the law of dominance, one character is suppressed, one character is dominant, express themselves. But in case of the incomplete dominance, there is a not support the blending theory of inheritance, because in this incomplete dominance, one gene cannot suppress the expression of the other completely. In such cases, there is a intermediate expression in F1 hybrids. Dominant character is not expressed, recessive character is not expressed, there is a intermediate character is expressed in F1 hybrids. Is why? This is due to the fact dominant character or the gene not in position to completely suppress the recessive one or recessive gene. The dominant character or dominant gene not in a position to suppress the completely recessive genes, so that with the result heterozygous has a different phenotype. Heterozygous have a different phenotype. So in the incomplete dominance is the intragenic allelomorphic interaction. Intragenic allelomorphic interaction. I have already told about that. What is the definition of intragenic? The interaction between the genes of the same allelomorphic, which are present on the same chromosomes. So is the best example about the taking the incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance is the 4 o'clock plants. A 4 o'clock plants means Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa is the best example in complete dominance, a well-known example, and these are the having the two pure varieties. One is the pure for the red color of the flower, and another variety is the pure for the white color of the flower. When the crossing between the red color of the flower with the white color of the flower in F1 hybrid bear a pink color of the flowers. When cross the red color of the flower with the white color of the flowers, which is the pure for that character, and in F1 hybrid bear a pink color of the flowers. When selfing of the F1 hybrid is a self pink color of the flowers, is cross in selfing in F1 hybrid, then F2 generation is obtained, F2 generation is raised. It shows that in F2 generation raised that red color of the flower, white color of the flower, and pink color of the flower in ratio is the 1:2, 2:1. What happens in the such type of the phenotypic genotypic ratio is the same? Question may be asked in board examination, or the MCQs type of the question, or the one sentence type of the question is asked in board examination. In the incomplete dominance, the genotypic and phenotypic ratio is the same or the different. In the incomplete dominance, genotypic and phenotypic ratio is the same. So in the observation in F2 generation, red color of the flower, white color of the flower, and then pink color of the flowers. There is in F1 generation, but there is a intermediate characters appear, not a white color of the flower, not a red color of the flower. This means that factors segregate. There is no mixing of the factor. According to the law of segregation, according to the law of purity of gametes, each gamete, each genes, each factor, each alleles is pure for that character. There is no mixing of the factors. The intermediate shade is produced due to the incomplete dominance. Intermediate shade are the produced, the pink color of the flower is due to the incomplete dominance. Due to the gametes is the in F2 generation gamete gets separated, segregate. There is no mixing. Incomplete dominance does not favor the blending theory of inheritance. Not support blending theory of inheritance. Not support. Throw in F1 all the pink color, both parental traits red and white reappear in the F2 generation. Each one is the 25%. Red color of the flower is a 25% and white color of the flower is a 25% in F2 generation. Other similar example is the snapdragon. Another example is a snapdragon is also the incomplete dominance. These are the Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum majus is the another that is known as the snapdragon. Another example is snapdragon, and one and best popular example is the 4 o'clock plants, and that is a Mirabilis jalapa. So in the bleeding theory of the inheritance, incomplete dominance not a support. Why? There is not a favor. Incomplete dominance does not favor the bleeding theory of inheritance, because in blending theory character is mixed, but in that separate the character, segregate the character, no mixing of each others, and they reappear in F2 generation. The cross between the plant pure for the red flowers and plant pure for the white flowers yield a hybrid plants with a pink flower in F1 generation. When cross between the pure plant pure for the red color of the flowers, plant pure for the white color of the flowers, yield hybrid plants with pink color in F1 generation. Neither red or nor white is completely dominant, so that both color appear in the hybrid as a blend, which is a pink. Both color of the flower is a blend in F1 generation. Is a blend means that which did not appear in F1 generation. The intermediate are appear, that is known as the pink color of the flower is appear. Both color appear in the hybrids as a blend, which is the pink. This is obviously contradiction of the Mendel's assumption that no blending of character take place. No blending of character are take place. Obviously contradiction of Mendel's assumption that bleeding of no bleeding of Mendel's, that is character are take place. Though no blending of character take place. What happens? You should you have to observe the slides. When the two of the hybrid plants with pink color flowers, with a pink color of the flowers are cross, F2 generation include the plants with, when crossing the two pink color of the flowers, F1 hybrids, selfing of them to raise the F2 generation. Now the to raise the F2 generation, in the F2 generation red color of the flower is appear, white color of the flower is appear, and pink color of the flower is appear. The parental trait which is the suppress, which is the not appear in F1 generation, there is appear the pink color of the flower. Both parental trait is a blend in the F1 generation, and then this blend character of the parents is reappear in F2 generation. There is a red color of the flower appear, white color of the flower appear. These are the parental traits which are the appear in the F2 generation. So in the theory of the blending of inheritance, so in the cross you have to show on the slides cross. When the crossing between the hybrid pink color of the flower is crossed with the hybrid pink color of the flower, selfing, that is also known as the selfing. Then selfing of this color of the flowers include the to raise the F2 generation, to obtain the F2 generation with the help of the checkerboards. In F2 generation, red color of the flower, white color of the flower and pink color of the flowers appear in the usual Mendelian ratio is the 1:2, 2:1. 1 is the red color of the flower, 2 is the pink color of the flower, number of the flower is a 2, and 1 is the white. There is each of the 25% red color of the flower and white color of the flower. These are the parental trait are the reappear in F2 generation, each of 25%. Then this cross in the F1 generation, hybrid pink color selfing to raise our F2 generation. Then the F2 generation raising in that ratio, phenotypic and genotypic ratio is the same. That means there is no mixing of the character, there is no mixing of the genes. They get separate, segregate, assort independently and express purely. Those character not appear in F1 generation, they reappear in the F2 generation. That is the red color of the parent is the not appear in F1 generation, white color of the flowers is not appear in F1 generation. There is an intermediate. Both character are present in a pink color of the flowers, red also and red, white also, but they get separate. That on the one dominant character is not suppressing the other genes character and recessive character or recessive genes. So in the formation of the F2 generation, red, white and pink color of the flowers appears in the chart. You have to show on this. Now this parental generation, these are the pure red and pure white. Their genotypes capital R, R. Red color of the flowers is controlled by the pair of genes, that is the capital R, and pure white color of the flower is controlled by the small r. Red color of the flower is a dominant and white color of the flower is a recessive one. So if the gametes are get separated in the F1 generation, is the pink color of the flower is appear, that is intermediate color of the F1 hybrids are appear, not parental traits appear in this completely. These are the incomplete dominance. Red color of the flower is a dominant character, is not appear in F1 generation because the dominant character is not able to, does not in a position to be suppress completely to the recessive genes. This is a formation of the intermediate, so that failure of the dominant gene to completely suppress the recessive genes. Now in this cross you have to see about the red color of the flowers, white color of the flowers. Red color of the flowers is the dominant character, they are controlled by the capital R, and white color of the flower which is the recessive character, which is the small r. When in F1 hybrids, crossing the F1 hybrids, this F1 generation, all the pink color of the flowers are appear, the parental character is not appear in this F1 generation. Then all the pink color of the flowers, when hybrid pink color of the flower is crossed with the hybrid pink color of the flower, that is known as the selfing one. In this selfing one, there is the obtaining the F2 generation, to raise the F2 generation. So in the raise to F2 generation, there is a raise to F2 generation, there is a white color of the flower, red color of the flowers, and pink color of the flowers. The ratio of the F2 generation is the 1:2, 2:1. Genotypic and phenotypic ratio is the same. There is a, in F2 generation, a parental traits or parental characters appear 25% each. Red color of the flower is a 25%.